Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today is art snacks for July. So this one I'm doing a little bit differently. I posted the box opening on Instagram, and I have also put it at the end of this video. So the project comes first, and the box opening will come at the end. Hope that doesn't mess you up, and that way if you don't want to see me open it, you can just skip it. Anyway, so I decided to do a project on Yupo paper. I'd seen somebody messing with Yupo paper, and I had some small pieces, so I thought I would play around with it. So I'm just going to create using the products I got. I have added a couple of extra products and see what I can come up with. Art snacks time for July, and we're going to find out what we have in here. So here's the card. Tells us what we have. The first thing they told us it was coming is ink. Ooh, that is, it says watercolor ink by Marabou. Petrol? Petrol is the color? Okay, it looks like a pretty blue. Ultra bright pigmented watercolor ink, transparent, highly light fast, even after drying, completely dissolve in water. Cool. Alright, let's just, open that up. Ooh. And Just grab a quick little paintbrush. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It says watercolor, so does it blend? Nice. Ooh, I like that color. I know they don't always send the same color in every package. I feel pretty lucky to get that color. Oh, it's pretty. Alright, so there's the first thing. We'll add to my ink collection. Well, it's watercolor though. I don't know. So they sent us a watercolor paper sampler. So I could have done it on there. Well, you know, these are going to end up being bookmarks or something. I think this is my second pack of those. And that's Grumbacher watercolor paper. And they always send the pencil pretzel. It's got little black dots on it this time. Okay. And of course it's art snacks, so there's always a snack. Got some banana flavored Laffy Taffy. So let's see what's in the package. So Art Snacks is a subscription. I am not sponsored by them. I do pay for this. But it's just fun. So you can do like a year's subscription and you get what you get. I think you can actually also go to their website and buy the individual supplies, or if you see a month that you like, you can do that too. Okay, we're skipping to this right here. This is Museum Emerald Artist Brush. Depending on the brush type, it can be $5.99 to $10.49. It's got like these contours for your hand. Well, I should have opened this first, huh? Okay, I gotta break the sizing. Nice. Just so we have a variety of color, pull out my nephew's watercolors. See, my nephew's watercolors. I'll just put a little purple on here. A little water. It's a nice brush. Now I'm just playing around. Okay. You can see that, right? I'm not going too far off camera. I've got it rigged up here, kind of funny. Okay. So next. Okay, there's the sample pad. 140 weight. Okay. This is a Molitor one for all twin marker. So 2 tips in 1 marker. Highly opaque acrylic based ink. And it says, oh, so I'm gonna have to prime that. It has the bullet tip, it has a really fat tip. And it's purple. I should have picked a different color, huh? Okay, that came out really fast. Meet the dot, right? Should we try this one? Okay. Must have all been sitting down in that bullet part, or the big side. Gotta plug myself, right? Okay, so that's cool. That one is $10.25 retail price. Those are expensive. Whew. Okay. And then this is a Copic drawing pen. $5.95 retail. The feeling of a traditional fountain pen without the inky mess. Copic drawing pen features stainless steel tip, perfect for inking and drying. Achieve a variety of line widths simply by changing the pressure. Oh look, it is like a fountain pen. The water-based dye ink won't bleed. It's water-based, so probably run if I got it wet. Okay. Well, what should we draw? Just add to this. I think I have to get it going. Okay, so there's one width. This. I think I have to prime it. What was that crackling sound? Something next to me making a crackling sound. So thin and thick. Can I do it even thicker? Not really, without feeling like I'm going to break the pen. Alright, so there is everything from the Art Snacks box. If you want to see what I create with this, check me out on YouTube, and the link is in my profile. Thanks for watching.